Welcome to Finance Simplified. Today we will show you some down payment and their respective EMI calculated to finance all three variants of the all-new Tata Nexon EV Electric. XM base variant with on-road price of 15.63 lakhs can be financed at 10% of its cost. These are its EMI when it is financed at 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs and 4 lakhs. At an interest rate of 9.5%. After 5 and 6 years, what amount of interest will be paid by you in total, and the total amount of money paid in EMI, and the total cost of car including the down payment you paid at start, is shown at bottom right corner, for all down payment options. Same details for the second variant of Tata Nexon EV, XZ Plus, which is available at an on-road price of 17.04 lakh Indian rupees is shown. And same details for third, XZ Plus LUX, the top model is shown in detail. Thanks for watching, and watch our other videos to analyze more.